now that I have your attention, it's your boy Tiger, Tenacious Tiger. Today is going to be the video of me building my desk. Now, this desk has been an ongoing project for about 16 hours between the last 3 to 4 weeks. So, before further ado, I'm going to show you the montage. Roll clip! Alright, so this has been my desk. So this is building my desk in, what? Cost me under, what? $250 to build this? I really did enjoy building it. It was a nice little project. I love it. It's fantastic. It looks great. I have the LEDs strapped all the way around it. Obviously all the footage is not there because between my camera that I had, my Rebel TI 3, I think is what it is. Excuse me. What it is that it records in like 12 to 20 minute captures and then it shuts off. So it's not the greatest for doing that. I realize now it's really amazing for your still images and your photography, your normal photography and whatever else is fantastic. But for doing this type of stuff, it's not quite good stuff. So I grabbed what I can between the battery dying, the card being full, and all that stuff like that. 'Cause I only had one 32GB card for it, unfortunately. So all the footage is obviously not there, but most of it's there. That's to give the good, strong build of what it does. Obviously, right, there's some more difficulties like putting in the drawer slides, putting the knob on, all that other stuff. But the gist of the desk being built is there. So like I said, it only cost me roughly about $250 to build. Pretty budget build, actually. It's huge. It's really nice. Actually, like I said, I do love it. It stinks though, just because it's not quite worn out of that stain. It's still fresh. It's brand new. It's not perfect. Obviously, it's a grandpa and grandson project, so it's not perfect 100%. It's pretty good. Like, there's a warp in the corner because of the temperature, because here in Canada, it gets to, what, minus 30, minus 40 sometimes. So it got pretty bad. Obviously, there's some little bit other complications, such as me rolling the car, but that's a different story of my wanting to record stuff like that. So the second session there, you can tell which sessions because of the different clothes I'm wearing. Second session, I'm wearing the dark sweater with the sawdust all the way down the back of my arms. So building the actual cabinet itself. But no, it was a good project. It was lots of fun. I really enjoyed building it. It's a wonderful desk. I love it. It's awesome. Thanks, Grandpa, for helping me build it. Looks like he did most of the work in there, but it was a me and him project. I completely blueprinted it myself. All the designs, all the measurements, I did all the cutting. He did a lot of the stuff that I'm not very skilled at when it comes to carpentry. So obviously using the belt sander and drilling all the holes and doing some of the other stuff. Like I cut the shelf. Like I said, I did all the cutting. I did nail some of the shelving. Then there's a bunch of stuff that I didn't know how to do, whatever else. But he kind of just took the realm because, like I said, it's a grandpa's son project, so obviously he's gonna have a little bit of hands-on for it too. But nope, it's fantastic. I love the desk. It's awesome. It's better than the fold-up table I was using before. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is it was something different. It was much like my chair building. This is more montagey. Please stay tuned for the next video. Like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe, join my ambush. Please pop that like button if you guys enjoyed the video. Please share this video if you enjoyed. If you have anybody else that wants to be inspired by building a desk, whatever else, like I said, this one only cost me $250 roughly. You can build it probably cheaper if you didn't want to go expensive, because I bought the fancy knob, the Millennium Falcon knob, and I bought the LED strings. But you don't have to go that complicated, whatever else. You could have just the basic shelves. You don't have to have the drawers in there. Like I said, you can do whatever you want with it. It's personal to your stuff. But yeah, I really enjoyed this project. But thank you guys all for watching. I'll see you guys next video. Bye bye.